Here we have boom, boom. Starting both hands onto G position, my thumb is on D, my right hand thumb is on G. Move your 5 up to E. Move your thumb down to G. And right hand on B and D, left hand on A sharp and C sharp. Alternate between the white and the black keys. Higher, higher, D, G, and play the lowest G on the piano. Let's look at the right hand first, starting on G. 5 to E. Thumb go down to G. Right hand on B, D. Left hand are on these two black keys overlapping it. Right, left, right. Same thing higher. Right, left, right. Right, left, right, and D, G. Switch over to the left hand. Thumb, middle D. Don't forget the F sharp, C and D. F sharp. F sharp. Now remember, right hand plays B and D, left hand will play A sharp and C sharp. Right, left, right. Higher. Higher. And left hand move all the way down to the last G that you have and jump.